Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Click at your profile icon at the right top, and firstly we need to disable backup. Click at the backup line, then tap at the slider and we disable it. After that, we can now finally remove them from the phone. First I will show you on the iPhone and then on Android. On some Android phones, let's say on Samsung, you can also delete this application, but not on, let's say, stock Android, like on Google Pixel. So, press and hold at the application, then click Remove and Delete application. And now let's move to Android. And on your Android, go to the settings, then apps, and right here you need to find Google Photos. I have it already, so if you have it, also tap on it, but if you haven't it here, just click See All. Then you can or scroll down and find Photos, or you can use the search and write Photos here, and right here we have it. Firstly, I recommend you to go to the storage and cache, clear the cache and clear the storage by just click on it. After that, force tap and disable app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.